number. That is one number for first double. Our first number. The second number, here there are two activities are starting, A and B. There are two different activities starting from the same point. You need to give 2 and 3 number for next two bubbles. Okay? I can give number 2 to this one, I can give number 2 to this one also. As per, without having any information about the activities. But by knowing the activities, now if I am giving 2 number to this activity, that is for the previous node, not only B is there, one more dummy has to come over here. So there are two activities need to join to the D activity. But as per our given data, only A and B are there. There is no dummy in the given table. So before writing 2 for this, you need to analyze B is not only activity, one more dummy activity has to be inserted, which means one more inward activity is coming. Which means wherever inward activity is coming, there you should not give first preference for giving the number. You should give 2 number to the activity where the no inward activities are there. So you can write 2 number for this and then 3 number for next activity. Okay. Next sequence can be given as this is 4 and this is 5. Next is 6. 6 should be last activity. 6 should be last event where the all activities are joined. This is how you need to do the numbering. Okay. Next, one more example. Try to prepare that and do.
हेलो
Yes.
सर डमी का एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करो ना सर, डमी में कंफ्यूज हूँ मतलब कैसे करते हैं.
When it is necessary, there only you have to use the first component. Most important is इधर जरूरी है उधर उतने यूज करना है. Okay. As per given table, you are having predecessor A for C activity also, predecessor A for D activity also. Which means until and unless you complete A activity, you cannot start C either D. Both activities cannot be started. Or in other way, it can be redefined as to start D activity, A should be completed. As well as to start C activity, A should be completed. Okay, first and foremost thing. And for D, B also should be completed. A and B both should be completed for B. And for C, only A is required. After completion of A, C can be started. But for D, A as well as B should be completed. One more important thing you should keep in your mind that wherever the predecessor में अगर एक से ज्यादा टाइम लिखा है, एक कोई भी अल्फाबेट एक से ज्यादा टाइम लिखा है और उसके साथ दूसरा अल्फाबेट भी ज्वाइन हुआ है, in such cases only dummy activity will come. Now अगर B इधर है और एक B इधर डाल दिया मैंने तो इधर एक डमी आएगा एक्स्ट्रा, क्योंकि सेम अल्फाबेट एक से ज्यादा नंबर रो पे आ रहा है और उसके साथ दूसरा भी ज्वाइन हो रहा है. In such cases only the dummy activity will be there. This is the experiment. This इधर बुक में नहीं लिखा है. ये जैसा प्रैक्टिस करोगे तुमको समझ में आएगा. A number of repetition of predecessor is there, then only the dummy activity will be there. Okay. Now A is given in 2 rows. With B also. B will join A also. Which means A 2 बार है और A के साथ दूसरा अल्फाबेट भी है. In such cases, the dummy activity will come. That you keep in your mind. In such situations only. In theoretical description, we'll say C and D are depends upon A and B. But for C, A, B should be completed. For C only A should be completed, and for D, A, B both should be completed. Then only you can start the network. If you are coming for preparing the network, Now, simply first one is a node form here. Two activities are starting A and B, which are having no predecessor, which means एक ही पॉइंट से तुम लोग ज्वाइन चालू कर सकते हो, दो एक्टिविटी और दोनों एक्टिविटी के लिए सी और डी आगे जाने वाला है। सी ए कंप्लीट होने के बाद चालू होने वाला है और डी ए और बी बोथ कंप्लीट होने के बाद चालू होने वाला है। मींस अगर पहला वाला डायग्राम देख लिया तो नोड के बीच में दो एक्टिविटी कैनॉट बी स्टार्टेड एट ऑल, सो देयरफॉर इट हैज टू कंसीडर अ ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म। Okay, therefore it is not possible to draw like this. It is a wrong concept if you are drawing two activities in between two bubbles. Starting भी एक ही पॉइंट पे और एंडिंग भी एक ही पॉइंट पे दो एक्टिविटी नहीं जा सकते। ये सिंपल बेसिक रूल है नेटवर्क फॉर्मेशन का। सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज कैंसल। अगर तुम लोग सेकंड स्टेप पे जाओ, दो एक्टिविटीज एट ए टाइम कंप्लीट करोगे एट सिंगल नोड पे। फॉर सी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज ओनली ए नॉट बी फॉर सी एक्टिविटी। ओके, इन दिस डायग्राम इट इज क्लियरली इंडिकेटिंग दैट ए एंड बी शुड कंप्लीट टू स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी, सो दिस इज आल्सो रॉन्ग। therefore we need to draw the third। पहला नोड से ए और बी चालू हो गया, बी से सी चालू, ए से सी चालू हो गया और बी से डी चालू करना है, उसके साथ ए भी चाहिए। ये चाहिए मतलब ये सेकंड नोड से तेरे को थर्ड नोड तक जानी चाहिए। देन ओनली आई कैन से दैट ए एंड बी आर predecessors for D, therefore which is not possible without dummy। अगर डमी डालोगे, ये जस्ट इंडिकेशन है, डमी का मतलब कोई रिसोर्स यूज नहीं करता है, कोई ड्यूरेशन यूज नहीं करता, ये इक्वल टू 0 ओनली। ओके, जस्ट इट इज शोइंग द डायरेक्शन आर द प्रेडेसर वैल्यूज। 2 2 3 को ज्वाइन किया, उसका मतलब हुआ ए भी इसको प्रेडेसर हो गया, अब बी भी इसको प्रेडेसर हो गया डी के स्टार्टिंग अकाउंट के लिए। देन ओनली यू हैव टू यूज, in such cases D can be used, otherwise no need of using the D value। Clear, Afan?
Yes sir।
Okay, any other doubts for preparing this network? ये बेसिक है और आगे जितने भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे हम लोग नेटवर्क के ऊपर ही रहेंगे। Now take a next numerical and prepare network। Construct a network for projects whose activities and their predecessor relationships are given in the table। पहला रो इंडिकेट करता है एक्टिविटीज को, सेकेंड रो इंडिकेट करता है उसके प्रेडेसेसर्स को। Note down the numerical and try to prepare the network। Hope now everybody will be clear with preparation of networks and they can prepare। Prepare network quickly. Who are done with network preparation, they can post as done in the chat box. I'll not show directly the network, just will draw the network first, so that it will be easy to understand for you people to draw the next networks. First and foremost, three net activities are not having any predecessors. Predecessors are not at all there. So you can start all three activities from the single point. That is, all three activities can be started from single point. A, B, and C. All three can start from the same point because there is no predecessor is given for these three activities. Next, D is having predecessor of A, which means to start D, you should have a complete duration. Means A should be completed. So you can start with D activity. Okay? And for E, B should be completed. And for F also, B should be completed. Which means दो activities जो है एक ही point से divert हो रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये दोनों same है. B is same. So two activities are starting from the same activity. Which means this is B, and there are two activities, that is E and F. Both are starting from same point. Okay. Who have not drawn or who are not understood the previous, clearly see how I am drawing. Then we can follow the next activities. Next for Z, the predecessor is C, which means once C is completed, then only you can go for GL. So I can write as G. And in the forward also, what all the components are written, you need to see these values also. Here F and G are combining to start the K activity at the last, if you see. Which means F and G are joining at a C point. And we done with the G. Next is H, you need to draw. For H, the predecessor is D, which means D should be completed for preparation of H. So I can write H. Next is I. For I, E should be completed. E should be completed for I. H and I are joining at same point here. So which means H and I are joining the same point. Draw arrows for each lines. You should not leave only the lines. Draw the arrows. Next is F and J are starting the K activity. This will be of K activity. F and G combined starting for K activity. And H and I combined start with the J activity. That can be given in the last node. So at the last, you should complete your network. Should not be open. It should be complete. The network should be complete. Like this, you need to draw the network. Clear cut image. I can show the network as this way. The systematic way. It should represent like this. All arrows should be straight line. Either it should be inclined, but it should not have any reverse arrows. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं ये नेटवर्क बनाने के वक्त ये बीच में ये नेटवर्क है तो नेटवर्क कैसे बना देते हैं मतलब इसको छोटा करते हैं सी इधर नेक्स्ट है जी एफ को इधर वापस लेके a reverse arrow should not be there in the network. This leads to wrong concept. If अगर तुम लोग ऐसा reverse वगैरह करोगे then it is not acceptable for the evaluation only.
सर उधर डमी एक्टिविटी दिखा सकते हैं ना?
डमी एक्टिविटी अगर जरूरी है तो उतना ही दिखाने का, unnecessarily नहीं दिखाने का. Now in this numerical there is no dummy activity required, so no need of showing any dummy activity.
सर इधर ना ए के बीच में ना सर ऐसा दिखा तो चलेगा ना?
डमी एक्टिविटी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं डालने का. कभी भी प्रॉब्लम को एक बार नहीं 10 बार सॉल्व करके देखो बिना डमी एक्टिविटी हो सकता है कि नहीं. मैं डमी एक्टिविटी जिधर आएगा वो भी एक टेक्निक बताया. अगर मेरे को इधर 2 बार बी लिखा है प्रोड्यूसर में, इसके साथ सी भी लिखा है, तब एक डमी गारंटी आएगा. तब दिमाग में रख लेना है. अगर ओनली बी लिखा है तो देयर इज नो डमी. Okay? Unnecessarily don't put dummy activities to complete your network. That is not a correct way. Okay? The diagram should look like this. Hope everybody has drawn the same diagram. And numbering you have to give from start to end. First should be lowest number and last should be highest number. First number and ninth is highest one. Is it clear for everyone? अगर किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो, क्योंकि नेटवर्क प्रिपरेशन इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट इन आवर सब्जेक्ट. पूरे के पूरे न्यूमेरिकल्स ये नेटवर्क के ऊपर ही रहेंगे. तो बेटर टू क्लियर इट नाउ ओनली. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट क्लियर इट आउट. आई कैन एक्सटेंड वन मोर क्लास फॉर दिस, नॉट टुडे बट सम अदर डे. Okay, next numerical. Prepare network for this. Hope now everybody is able to prepare the networks. 3-4 numerical हो गए ना? Now you should be able to draw the network. For A, there is no predecessor, so you can start from the origin. For B and D, there is predecessor is same. That is A. So there will be two activities starting from the completion of A activity. That is from the second node. And C is having predecessor of B. And E is having predecessor of D. And C and E are joining to start the F activity. And G and D are having the predecessor same as D activity. Which means from D, there are three activities are starting. H is having two activities starting, that is I and J. And F and H are joining together to start the K activity. H and F. And G and J are joining together to complete the L activity. Prepare the network. ये नेटवर्क सबको आना चाहिए. And upload your answer in the Google Classroom. So that will be better to assess. Hope everybody has noted down the numerical. किसका हो गया वो स्कैन करके गूगल क्लासरूम में अपलोड कर दो. क्लास वर्क आज का डेट डाला हूं, उस पे अपलोड कर दो जिसका हो गया वो लोग. Anybody uploaded? No one. जस्ट एक नेटवर्क बनाना है, कितना टाइम चाहिए रे? किसी का भी नहीं हुआ? सब लोग डन 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 डाल रहे हो। अपलोड करो फटाफट धनंजय, गूगल क्लासरूम में अपलोड करो। तन्वी, अजय घोष, अभिराम, नागेंद्र, कुणाल।
हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलो।
सो लास्ट में वो एच वाला थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है, एच एच में।
ओके, कंप्लीट क्विकली एंड सबमिट. Let we can start the numerical. I can at least understand how many people have is ready to prepare the networks. बाकी लोगों को तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या कोई सुन नहीं रहा है, दो में एक ऑप्शन हो सकता है. अफान कुछ बोल रहा था?
नहीं सर।
हो गया तो अपलोड करो. अतर, आशी, सुरेश सुतार, अपलोड. रितेश, जयश्री, अक्षय सालवी, विवेक सिंह, क्विकली अपलोड करो फटाफट. शुभम, सूरज ठाकुर का एक आया अभी तक. अरे कितना डमीज डाल दिया रे. 2 3 जरूरी नहीं है उतना डमीज. एक ही डमी आएगा और बीच में एक ओपन रखा है आई का वैल्यू. आई के लिए कंप्लीट नहीं किया, आई तो ओपन रखा है सूरज. बाकी कोई अपलोड नहीं कर रहा है. दो लोग निकल भी गए, जयश्री और एक कौन निकला? चलो ड्रा करते हैं. करिएगा। मैं एक बार ड्रॉ करके दिखाता हूँ कैसे ड्रॉ करना है, उसके बाद अगर मैं मेंटल देता हूँ वो और कर लेने इसी जगह पे। For A there is no producer, so you can write as A activity as it is A to B. Okay, or 1 to 2. Next, for B and D, same producer is there, that is A. So I can start 2 activities as B and B. And for C, the B is producer, which means until unless you complete B, you cannot start with the C activity. Simple thing. And next, for E, D is an activity which has to be completed, and then only you can start with the next activity. Okay? So you need to draw. In the future, again, there are 2 more activities where the D is a producer, which means I need to start with the E activity first. First, I'll complete E. E can be drawn like this, and the other 2 can be drawn like this. E I'll be drawn. But F, C, and E are producer, which means C और E दोनों एक ही जगह पे मिलते हैं. इधर 2 at a time है, मतलब इसका मतलब 2 at a time मिल रहे हैं. So this can be continued over here. C and E combiningly they can start to take F activity. Okay, and once you prepare with D, next G and H are starting. So that can be written as, this can be written as H, this can be written as Z. Okay, G H is over. Yes, G I'll be writing first, and then I. For I, H is the producer, which means I and J are starting from the H only, which means from H there are 2 activities are starting. Okay, that is I and J, and F and H are joining together and starting with the next activity, that is K, which means A, F और H दोनों एट ए टाइम ज्वाइन होंगे. मैंने पहले ही बोला था जिधर डमी आएगा उधर एक बार वेरीफाई कर लेना, H इधर सिंगल भी है 2 जगह और इधर किसी और के साथ भी है. That is, but some other alphabet it is there, which means a dummy will be there at this point. So dummy need to be inserted. Dummy लिखने के लिए मैंने I को नीचे लिख देता हूँ ताकि कोई कंफ्यूजन ना रहे. This will be representing the dotted line represents the dummy. To start for K. Okay. K activity can be started. Apparently dummy. Next is of G and J combined to start the L activity. G and J these 2 combined होकर अपने को L activity चालू करो. उसका मतलब G को properly draw करना पड़ेगा. That is G and J can be started from the starting activity for next one, that is L. L is having no end, therefore can directly connect to the L. Here in between I is hanging like that only, which is having no completion. So wherever completion is there, not there, in such cases you can draw the line for I as this I can be directly joined to the end point. As I. Only one dummy will be there in both network. Only because of H which is repeating in 2-3 columns and which is having with the other alphabet also. If H is common for 3 columns also and which is not with any other alphabet, then there also there will be no dummy activities. H अगर F के साथ नहीं आता है इधर then you would have got the all straight lines only. There is no dummy activities. यह क्या है इसलिए अपने को एक dummy activity जरूर है. Okay, this is how we need to draw the network. Hope someone has got this diagram from your practice. Anybody has got this diagram? Or properly I can say like this. The dummy is just like that. This is dummy. This one is done. Remaining all are straight lines.
हेलो सर.
Yes,
सर इसमें आई ड्रॉ नहीं किया इसमें.
I drawn it here. Okay, okay. Previously I have drawn now while drawing. I will be like this. Otherwise you refer to my sketches. Refer to the slide. I had a space constraint, that way the bit smaller sizes I have drawn. This is how you need to take the screenshot of this one, so I can give a next numerical that you can solve and upload in the today's Google Classroom. Take a screenshot of this one.
हेलो सर.
बोलो.
हेलो सर.
बोलो
दो
बोलो.
एक्टिविटी नहीं हो सकता है ना?
क्या हुआ?
सर
दो एक्टिविटी इंटरसेक्ट
सर
नहीं
एक
हो
क्वेश्चन.
इंटरसेक्ट किधर हो रहा है?
नहीं सर, मैंने किया था ना, उसमें हुआ था इसलिए.
नहीं मतलब हम लोग ड्रॉ करते हैं.
नहीं कर सकते कोई भी एक्टिविटीज को.
हाँ ओके सर.
एक के ऊपर एक क्रॉस
Okay, sir.
किया जा सकता है.
हाँ सर, वही पूछना था. थैंक यू.
ओके. दूसरा कोई कुछ पूछ रहा था?
नहीं सर, सेम क्वेश्चन.
ओके फाइन. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका.
सर वो सर हेलो सर, वो H2K डायरेक्ट भी हो सकता है ना? वो डमी क्यों है? H2K डायरेक्ट ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं ना स्ट्रेट लाइन से.
स्ट्रेट लाइन H से हम लोग H एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट होने के बाद I भी चालू करना है, J भी चालू करना है. दो एक्टिविटी चालू करना है. और दूसरा K एक्टिविटी के लिए हमको H के या के साथ H भी चाहिए. अगर मैं H एक्टिविटी डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट ज्वाइन किया है तो इसका मतलब होगा सिर्फ K के लिए मेरे को प्रेडिक्शन H और F मिल जाएंगे. I और J के लिए क्या करना है?
ओके सर, समझा.
That will be difficult, na? That is why the dummy activity is inserted. Otherwise, in other case also, if I am drawing like this only, I and J I am drawing in H is not there. H I am giving the straight line with some other activities with me. Then it would have been correct. Okay? But here, no other activities are given. So you need to draw a dummy over here.
ओके सर, अंडरस्टूड.
Fine. Next numerical. Okay, I have uploaded question papers in the Google Classroom. You can check. Anyhow, tomorrow we are not having any class for you people, so you can solve any two networks and upload in the Google Classroom. Any two, as per your will and wish, you can choose and you can upload in the Google Classroom. For today, I have created. At least one you need to upload for today's class, so that for practice purpose, for your purpose only I am saying. It is not your assignment, just for practice purpose. Okay? Hope you can do. एटलीस्ट तुम लोगों के लिए तो करो, मेरे लिए नहीं करो या ना करो, डजेंट मैटर। तुम लोगों को चाहिए ना, एटलीस्ट मार्क्स तो तुम लोगों को चाहिए, पास तो तुम लोग होने वाले। प्रैक्टिस करो थोड़ा।